In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams so your meetings are scheduled and launched more smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each step does so you can feel confident connecting the two tools. Let's start from inside your Calendly account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard. From here, the first thing you want to do is look for the area where Calendly keeps all of its add-ons and connections. This is usually labeled as Apps and Integrations. Depending on your layout, you might see this in the main navigation bar or tucked under a menu icon, often on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Apps and Integrations. This is your central hub for connecting Calendly to other tools you use every day. It's worth remembering where this lives because you'll come back here whenever you want to add, remove, or manage any connection in the future, not just Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the Apps and Integrations section, you'll see a list or a gallery of available apps. There should also be a search bar at the top or near the top of the page. Using the search bar is usually the quickest way to find what you're looking for, especially if there are a lot of integrations available in your account. Click into the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, Calendly will start filtering the results. You should see the Microsoft Teams integration appear in the list. If you prefer not to use the search bar, you can scroll through the available apps until you find Microsoft Teams, but searching is generally much faster and reduces the chance of missing it. Once you see Microsoft Teams in the list of apps, click on it. This opens the integration details page. Here, Calendly usually gives you a short description of what the integration does. For Microsoft Teams, the goal is to allow Calendly to automatically generate Teams meeting links and attach them to your scheduled events. That way, when someone books a time with you, the calendar invite already includes the Teams meeting details, and neither of you has to create a link manually. On this integration page, look for the button that says Connect Microsoft Teams. When you're ready, click Connect Microsoft Teams. This is the action that starts the connection between your Calendly account and your Microsoft account. After clicking, you may be redirected to sign in with your Microsoft credentials, or if you're already signed in, you might be asked to confirm permissions. These permissions allow Calendly to create online meetings and add them to your calendar on your behalf. It's important to review them, but in most cases, you'll simply confirm or accept to continue. Once you do, Calendly completes the connection process in the background. When the connection is successful, Calendly will typically show a confirmation message or update the Microsoft Teams integration status to indicate it's now connected. At this point, the basic integration is in place. Future events you set up with online meeting details can now automatically use Microsoft Teams as the meeting location, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the main Calendly dashboard into Apps and Integrations, found Microsoft Teams, and clicked Connect Microsoft Teams to link the two platforms together.